Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x87e50033. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head over to you want to click on the Xbox logo on your controller, and you want to head over to Profile and System. From here you basically just want to sign out of your Xbox account, and then you're going to sign back in as well. Check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys are going to do is head over to settings, go to accounts, go to remove accounts, and you're going to remove your account and you're going to add it back. You can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can do is head over to settings again, go to general, go to network settings, and then you're going to go to advanced settings. Now from advanced settings, what you're going to do is you're going to go to primary and secondary DNS, and you're going to basically change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then you're going to change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now once you do that, all you can do is simply just go ahead and turn off your Xbox or restart it, up to you. And once you turn it back on, the issue should be gone. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.